Did you know some foods lose their nutrients when cooked? It's a surprising fact, but true. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition to explore 3 foods that are best consumed in their raw form to reap their full health benefits. First on our list is broccoli. This green powerhouse is packed with vitamin C and K, along with a host of other nutrients. But did you know that cooking broccoli can reduce its vitamin C content by up to 60%? That's right. To make the most of this nutrient-rich vegetable, consider eating it raw or lightly steamed. Next, we have garlic. Revered for its health benefits and flavorful punch, garlic contains a compound known as allicin, which is believed to have potent medicinal properties. However, heat deactivates allicin. So if you're after the health benefits, it's best to consume garlic raw or add it to your dishes just before you finish cooking. The third food on our list is bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are an excellent source of vitamin C. In fact, a raw bell pepper contains nearly 3 times the amount of vitamin C as an orange. But when you cook bell peppers, the vitamin C content decreases significantly. To summarize, while cooking can enhance the taste and texture of many foods, it can also lead to nutrient loss in some cases. For foods like broccoli, garlic, and bell peppers, consuming them raw or minimally cooked can help you get the most out of their nutritional profile. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is balance. It's not about completely avoiding cooked foods, but rather understanding how different cooking methods can impact the nutrient content of your meals and adjusting accordingly. So next time you're in the kitchen, think about how you can incorporate these raw foods into your meals. Maybe add some raw broccoli to your salad, or sprinkle some fresh garlic over your pasta just before serving. It's a simple way to boost your nutrient intake and enjoy the full benefits of these health-boosting foods. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of nutrition. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the fascinating world of food.